Hello, welcome to my video podcast about Excel. The first thing we'll look at is inserting a chart. At the top, you'll see Insert as one of the menu selections. So click on it, and then in the top center, you will notice all kinds of different charts that you can use. You could use a pie chart if you'd like to, and you can see that there are 2D, 3D, and donut pie charts. And the information we have is what season do you like the best? And as you can tell, we have more who like the summer and the fewest who like the winter, and our pie chart clearly shows that. A bar graph is ideal for looking at more than one set of data. And as you can see, we have used the years 2012 through 2014 of what our favorite season is. You can tell that including a graph in Excel is really not that difficult. If you're anything like me, you oftentimes need your class roster. So I like to put my class roster into Excel. And you can see I have all the kids in Excel. What I really like to do is I like to have borders added in so I can be able to see my information a little bit easier. So you can click on this little box and it has a drop down and it has all kinds of different borders that you can choose. Once you've put your class roster together, you might want them in alphabetical order. Well, good for you, because Excel has an automatic sort and filter function. So if you go to the right corner, you see an A and a Z, and it says sort and filter, so click on that icon. When you click on this icon, you have several different options to show up. You can sort from A to Z, you can sort from Z to A, or you can even do a custom sort. I like to sort from A to Z. Now my kids are in alphabetical order. Another really interesting thing about Excel is how easy it is to add your numbers. So right here we have an example of what your bills might look like. Say maybe $60 for your electric bill and $800 in rent, $250 for a car payment. Make sure all of your numbers are in one column and then select them all, and once they've been selected, go over to the right corner and you see something that looks kind of like a sideways M. Click on it and you'll have a little box come up and it'll say automatically added up. Now at the bottom of all those numbers you can see what the total amount equals. There's one last little trick that I will share with you, and that's to merge and center some information. So now I have my class divided into boys and girls, but I want the word class at the top to be in the very middle. So what do I need to do? Well, I'm going to highlight the word class and I'm going to drag over one more box. In the very middle you see this icon, and if you click on the drop down arrow you will see it says merge and center. So go ahead and click on it. Now the word class is in the very middle and it's in its own little space. Now I have highlighted both of my columns, including the word class, and I'm going to make a border. So I'm going to go click on the icon for border and choose all borders. Now I have my class list and you can easily see it by boys and girls. Thanks for listening to this video podcast about Excel.